Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of your favorite kitchen, your one and only original male cooking channel in Ghana and beyond guys. I'm super excited as always to bring to your doorstep another sumptuous, healthy and mouth-watering food recipe. And I know you can't wait to try this amazing recipe. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get it started. Weekends are for fufu and soup, especially Sundays. Come along with me as I take you through my simple yet delicious and amazing tilapia soup recipe. I will start off by blending my onions, green petit bell pepper, that's my paposhito, garlic and ginger. Add your salt to taste and just a little amount of water to blend your vegetables. Pour some of your blended ingredients onto your tilapia fish. Put it in your refrigerator to allow it to marinate for some minutes. In your cooking pot, add in your beef, your red powdered pepper, your natural spice blend, and your blended ingredients. That's your garlic, ginger, onion, and paposhito. Give it a good stir and add your salted fish and cover it to allow it to simmer on low heat. I repeat, low heat. Time to check up. I will be giving it a good stir, rinse my blender and pour out the water into my cooking pot. Add more water to cook my soup. My tomato paste of choice goes in at this point in time. That is Tasty Tom tomato paste, rich in fiber and nutrients, good for you. Guys, make sure you use everything cautiously. Money no day plus things are super expensive. So make sure you use everything because Hans Kitchen, nothing goes to waste. Give it a good stir as well. Then add in your tomatoes, your onion and your garden eggs. Cover it to bring to a boil for some minutes. After some time, my tomatoes and onions are well cooked. I will be blending them at this point in time and transfer it back into my soup. That is going to serve as a thickener for my soup. Guys, if you want your soup concentrated or thick, you could either add more onions and tomatoes or more tomato paste or more carrots, blended carrots in the case of a light soup. Charlie, the secret ingredient to tasty, concentrated and delicious soup recipes from only Hans Kitchen. Click on the subscribe button. Just click on it, guys. My marinated tilapia fish goes in at this point in time together with the stock, and don't forget to rinse your bowl and add the excess water. Water, or what is it called? Water. Charlie, that's just by the way. Give it a gentle stir because it's fish. If you give it a giddy stir, your fish will fall apart, like things fall apart. Add your okra and crush your green petit bell pepper into your soup for good aroma and good taste. Add your seasoning cube of choice, give it a gentle stir as well. So at this point in time, you can add a little more salt. That if your salt content is low, cover it and allow it to cook until it's ready. Checking up on my soup. So guys, I'm just giving it a gentle stir. Yeah, give it a gentle stir. Cover it to allow it to cook for some few more minutes because it's not ready. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, Charlie, at this juncture, at this point in time, my tilapia soup is ready. Guys, it's ready. Just reduce the heat, give it a gentle stir, and please don't forget to taste it for salt content. Give it a good taste. So I'll be enjoying this with fufu, as I said from the beginning. Thank you for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. Share, like, and most importantly, try it at home. See you with another video. Bye guys.